let's make curry chicken patties. Okay, y'all, so now I'm getting ready to make the filling for these chicken patties. So I have chicken breast and chicken thighs. And so we're gonna add some salt, curry powder. You can use hot curry. This is just mild curry. I didn't use hot because I don't really want the patties real hot. I have Ocheria's complete seasoning, and I have my favorite seasoned pepper. So go ahead and just, oh, one more thing. I forgot the green seasoning. Green seasoning. Can't forget the green seasoning, y'all. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in here. Just a little tad of olive oil. And then we're gonna mix everything together. A few hours to marinate and get all the flavors in, but I'm gonna get ready to cook it right now. And these patties is just a quick and easy way to make these inspired Jamaican chicken patties. So once I get it all nice and marinate, it smells good too. It's gonna look something like that. So now we're gonna get ready to cook these on the oven. But before that, I wanted to show you that we're gonna be doing potatoes and carrots, and that's kind of gonna be more of the thickening agent. And so with that, I've already pre-boiled my potatoes and carrots, and what I did that in is I did it in salt and a little bit of curry powder, and I boiled that together, so that will be part of the filling. I'm gonna let this pan fry for a while, and then we'll go ahead and put a top on it. And I'm gonna put a top on it and let it finish cooking. And let it finish cooking probably about for another 10-15 minutes. Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to take this chicken off. Okay, y'all, so the chicken is done. So now I'm just gonna shred it up, and then we're gonna continue to complete making the filling. So it's a little on the hot side because we're not gonna make the crust. I'm going to use a puff pastry, so it's just as flaky, you know. So this is what, semi-homemade, as you would say. We put our chicken back in here. We have this like on medium heat. The juice that I made with the potatoes, and put that in there. And then we're gonna mash these potatoes up because we're gonna make this kind of like the thickening agent. So I'm gonna put this to the side, let it cool off for probably a good 20 minutes because you want it fully cooled off. Curry chicken has cooled down. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of turnip, probably like a half a teaspoon. And I'm gonna take a little bit of curry powder, and we're gonna brush this on top of our pastry, and a little bit of milk. Stir all that together. So I'm gonna just brush a little bit of that curry mixture on it, like so. Take a little bit of the filling. Then we're gonna take it, fold it over, like so. Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to review these curry chicken patties that inspired me from Jamaican curry chicken patties. So, but what I did is I did it a little easier for you guys using the pastry, the puff pastry, instead of making my own dough. Just use that. And I showed you guys how I did the filling and how I did the thickening with the potatoes and carrots. So now it's time to go in and taste. So I did open one already, and you see how flaky that is with all the chicken and everything in there. So I'm gonna go in and taste it. That filling, they have that hint of curry in it, and the thickening agent with the potatoes and the mashed carrots that I put in there. This is so good. And then how I brush the curry on top to give it more of that curry flavor. I have some of my Divine Cuisine jerk sauce. You know, I'm a dipper, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip some of that in there too, just to see. That's good. Naomi suggested that. Right, it's good. Look at that flakiness. How it opens. I do like the jerk sauce with it too, the Divine Cuisine jerk sauce. It gives you like a sweet, spicy element to it. Can't get to your favorite Jamaican spot. You can make these yourself. Your kids will love them. You can freeze them. You see, we cheated a little bit. We were doing it with the puff pastry. We made the curry filling, and this is delicious. To get this recipe and more, go to divinecuisine.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so next time you'll be notified when we have another video. Love y'all, Chef Shay.